What's up, guys? Honestly, and today we will be playing Battle Cats. So today we might do some darkness. Hey, okay. Well, still, I tried to make the first one, but YouTube said it was too long, so I canceled the upload. So if none of y'all are familiar with what Battle Cats is, it's basically you start out with one cat, and eventually more come. Then some of them are free. Okay, these are just stages that I've beat. Empire of Cats Chapter 2. This is basically it. Then we keep going. I'm so close, all I need to do is beat the moon and then I can get a Valkyrie. It might only be a super rare unit, or a special unit, but does that matter? No, it's still actually a Uber to me. And every other unit. I'm just looking at this piece of paper real quick. I don't know why I was sitting in this room. No, we'll do something else. Because, you know, I know. Did you see this? Okay. Hold on. Hey, guys. Whoa, guys, somehow we magically teleported to the Store of the Legends. So right now it's Silver Week, as you can see. I'm talking a bit louder than I did in the other video, because you can barely hear me. Should I show you my cats? Probably not, whatever. Wrath of Heaven. Challenges you must clear Emperor of Cats Chapter 2. That gives us a hint to what's going to be there. Angels. Probably Valkyrie is what it's hinting to. You know, I probably have to fight Valkyrie. You know, you gotta fight into the future Chapter 2. You have to fight Valkyrie just to get the full version of Valkyrie. The better version. I think. I'm guessing she's considered, whenever she's an enemy, I'm guessing she's considered an alien enemy. Silver Week. So guys, I got something to show you real quick in this. So, if it'll even load. Fine, I only have 2 bars of internet, so what? Birthday present, let's go to this. It's 100 energy, but I know I can beat it. No, well yeah, I know I can beat it, and I can. I just want that rare ticket. I just want to get 9,000 so that I can get all those school rewards. You know why? So that I can have 2 normal cat tickets, 3 normal cat tickets, and 1 rare ticket. And for this, my guess is just send out meat shields. All I need to do is get 8,600 and then we'll get that rare ticket. Crit hitter's actually really good. We need a crit hit about now. Alright, so I'm sorry I paused and unpaused. So we beat it, but we didn't even get a higher score than that. We didn't even get the same score. Well, Nico did the most damage, so we're gonna do that one more time. One more. That's only the first thing of Battle Cats in the first episode. There's gonna be hundreds, maybe. Maybe only about 50, you know. An hour special of Battle Cats. Kid plays Battle Cats for now. All we're gonna do is buy Monico. Well, you know, they help, so all we're gonna keep doing is this. Boom. Watch this. You see those guys who shoot fireworks, right? They're basically those guys, but we've got 3 of them or something. Bite in the face once, they die. Bite in the face once, they die. That's all I need to do. Monico, you gotta hurry. Oh yeah, there's a little pressure on that cat, so that's why it's not so fast. Monico, you're the one who saves us all. Hit him. Hit, whatever. Bam. See that? Monico, you got this. She did a critical hit. And it killed the thing. Bro, we're gonna get a rare ticket already. See? Kill the thing one shot. Oh my god. Monico's violent. But cool. But still so violent, bro. It was a crit hit. It's a critical hit. Come on. Bam. Oh, come on. That took a lot faster than usual. Oh, we got 200 more? Wait, how long does that last? 8 more days. I have 8 more days to sit here, level up Monico so that we're critical hits her more often. That way she can like 2-shot that thing with critical hits. Or 1-shot it. Never know. This is the one. Mine's to meet up. I got the thing. Oh, can't take a chance. You wanna see? Well, you know, it's only 30. Unlimited. You wanna see the name of the level? Let's hope y'all didn't leave it there. If y'all did, that's fine. Love metal. It's hard. Can't refill my energy. I really want to like play this because then don't worry about that sound, it's just my grandma. So let's close the door real quick. Alright, now. So, love metal, hip hop hard. The skirt awakens, and cat fruit buffet. I bet you I know why. Empire of Cats Chapter 3. That's when you start getting time scores for the Empire of Cats. And that's when you can start getting cat fruit. Not for the fan of the heart. Heard about the insanely tough crazed cat say? Not for the fan of the heart. Clearing the Are you seriously? It's super rare, probably not. Well, you know what? That might be it for today. I'll see you guys in the next episode. And this is what we're doing in the next episode. Yep. See you guys later. Bye. Alright, and peace.